Welcome back to the channel, beautiful people. Phil's Fashion, your personal stylist. As you see by the title, today I'll be showing you and reviewing a new pickup of the Versace Greca sneaker. Let's get straight into the review for today. So, start off with the box. Check it out. Plain matte black box. And this is the detailing. The name of this sneaker is called the Versace Greca BAROCCO sneaker. Let's get into it. Does come with a nice big dust bag. Fit both sneakers comfortably. And check them out. Oof! Love the styling, love the detail. Super thick, chunky sole. Always perfect for the shorter guys. I'm in that category. 5'6", 32 inches, 2 centimeters. But let's get into the quality. I would say this is a high quality sneaker. It is leather lined inside at the back. And you do have a nice stitching throughout. And this is Versace's traditional print. That's what I loved about these. Getting these sneakers, I already had a couple shirts, a jacket already to match this, and the belt. The tongue, you do have the Versace logo. And I would say the attention to detail is definitely on point. You do have that Versace Greca print all the way around. And I love how they threw in this party trick. Check that out. They got the Medusa head inside. And what's interesting is when you're stepping on it, you won't damage it. So it always stays fresh. Definitely a nice touch. Unless you wear it in like bad weather. And it does say Versace going alongside the sneaker. Show you both pairs. And they did also have some identification cards. Okay. Inside does say Versace. So are these worth it? I would definitely say yes. As a first Versace sneaker, if you don't already have stuff, maybe you wanna get a sneaker with a little bit of more leather on it, a little better quality as far as this is just canvas. But overall, I would definitely say these are worth it. Stay tuned for my next video. I'll be styling these. I also just recently bought a Versace tie. Might pull it off with a nice blazer. Or I'll show you the matching shirt that I do have with it. If this is your first time here, thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I'm bringing a whole lot of content you don't want to miss. Also, follow me on Instagram for outfit inspiration. And if you're interested in a personal stylist, I make custom packages just for you. See you soon and stay blessed.